Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. Open your web browser, search for Microsoft Teams, join meeting, enter your meeting ID and passcode, click on join a meeting, select how do you want to join meetings. So that's it. If you want to join in a meeting from Microsoft application, click on Calendar from the left sidebar. Click on Join with an ID, then type meeting ID and passcode. After that, click on Join Meeting. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.